Embark on a voyage of discovery with your family with Celestron's best-selling PowerSeeker equatorial mount telescopes. These telescopes come with everything you need to get started with astronomy, including a tripod, a finder scope, 2 eyepieces, and a Barlow lens, which triples the power of each eyepiece. The equatorial mount is a favorite of amateur astronomers because it makes it easier to track objects as they appear to move across the night sky. Choose the optical tube that's right for you, from the compact PowerSeeker 60 EQ with grab-and-go convenience to the large PowerSeeker 127 EQ with more light-gathering ability. Every PowerSeeker offers great views of the moon and planets. A larger model will provide more detailed views and help you enjoy fainter deep sky objects like star clusters and nebulae. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. Center the object in the finder scope and it's ready to view. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!